So what you're seeing here is a demo setup that is built on top of NextBillion's distance matrix API on this platform called CodePen. This is just for demonstration purposes. What you see here is what distance matrix API allows to get distances and times, or estimated distances and estimated times, between a set of origins and a set of destinations. Hence the name matrix, so you get m cross n distances and times. Let me go ahead and select a few origins at random. This is in the city of San Francisco. And then what you'll notice is, as I then select a set of destinations, you start seeing this table appear on the right that shows distances and times between each of these pairs. So as an example, let's say if I select O3 and D1, what you'll also notice is this demo shows you the route that the vehicle would have to take. And for each of these combinations, we get a time value in seconds and a distance value in meters. So this is what the distance matrix API allows you to do. In the background, when you make this API call, it's going through the map data that it relies on. It looks at historical traffic patterns. It looks at real-time traffic. It takes into account that maybe driving straight is easier than if you had to take a left turn at a traffic light. So it takes all these different parameters into account and it comes up with estimated distance and time values. Now, if I hop over to documentation, you'll see fairly rich documentation about all the parameters and all the request response structures and all the different things you can do with this. The first thing is we support 2 versions. This is really just a toggle with an API parameter, but essentially we have distance matrix fast, which really is designed, as the name goes, to run at very high scale and low latencies, but it gives you fewer attributes. For example, the distance matrix fast API does not support setting departure time. It does not support truck regulations. And then you have distance matrix flexible that gives you more parameters, but the latency is slightly slower, hence the name flexible. Once you go through this, there's a bunch of other configuration options that allows you to tweak the response in the way you might like. We just looked at specifying a set of origins and set of destinations, but you can specify if you want the routes for cars or trucks. Maybe you want to avoid tolls or highways. Maybe you want to specify that approaches, which is the vehicle should arrive at the destination from the side of the curb. Maybe this is for like an automated delivery use case. So there's a bunch of other parameters, and as you go through this documentation, you'll also get examples, values for how to use each of them. NextBillion supports distance matrices that go very large in size. So as an example, some of our customers use matrix sizes 5,000 cross 5,000. We have different APIs, as I mentioned, one designed to support extremely low latency scenarios, one designed to support more sophisticated and more customizable scenarios. We also have other customization options that go with it that we'll cover in a different video. For example, our road editor tool that allows you to specify custom routing preferences for the distance matrix API. For example, maybe you want to avoid certain roads. These are all different things covered by the road editor API, which we'll go through in a different demo. So yeah, these are all the options. Please feel free to check it out and reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you.